Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing backward relaxing sounds. Basically what this is relaxing sounds, but like reversed. Also, if you're one of my friends from school, please stop watching this. Okay, let's continue. So, what should we start off with? Let's go for this one. So usually I tap around outside of it, but as you can see right now, it's pretty hollow, I'd say. But it's also pretty dark, so let's shine a light through there. I want you to look in the middle. Alright, look at the light. Alright, now follow the light. Only follow the light, don't follow the trim skull. Awesome sauce. Next up, straw and remote. Now let's try to put this back on. Great. Next up, here really quickly, I'm going to put this back on. Alright. Finally, we have pick a stick. Please pick a number 1 through 17. Now usually, if you pick this number, you'd be out. But today, if you pick it, you win. Pick a number. First number is, I'll pick 12. First number is 1. Awesome. I'll pick another. I'll pick 10 this time. Wait, you know what? No, keep the same number throughout, okay? Don't change it. 12. 2. Oh, that's 1 and 2. Okay. You get 3 more chances. Stick with your number. Unless you've already won, then you win, yay. 15. Okay, we're gonna have 2 more. Good luck. 5. Alright, 1 more number gets to make it through. 12. So, the numbers that were picked were 1, 2, 15, 5, and 12. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.